Welcome to another video. Today we will learn about Onemint's whitelist manager and how to set it up. On our dashboard, we will go to the List tab and create a new list. Now that we have created our list manager, we can go ahead with the basic setup fields. This includes the name of the page, URL, description of the page, an image, and also the socials of our NFT project. This page will allow your project's community to join and be eligible for your whitelist sale if they meet the requirements you set on the next step. On the Rules and Requirements tab, we will be able to set the criteria we want our community members to meet in order to join our whitelist. First thing we can ask for is for them to follow up to 3 Twitter accounts and to like and retweet a tweet that we choose. We can also ask for a specific role on our Discord channel, their email address, and also a certain balance on their crypto wallet, both for Ethereum and Solana. Only if they meet the criteria we have set, they will join our whitelist. On the Members tab, we will see a list of all the users that have already joined using our page. Lastly, we have the Raffle section in which we can select a number of winner for an airdrop or another reward. Remember that this whitelist page is free to use with all packages, bronze, silver, or gold. We hope this quick video has helped you understand how to use our whitelist manager and hope to see you on the next one.